Dihing Patkai. Lying in Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot is considered as the emergence of is covering a large area of around 600 square feet kilometer thick tropical lowland rainforest in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, the easternmost state of India. It is a part of Assam Valley subtropical wet evergreen forest and consists of three parts: Jaipur, Upper Dihing River and Dirak rainforest. The sanctuary is also a part of Elephant Reserve. The climate of the region is mostly tropical with an annual rainfall of more than 4,000 mm. Monthly participation is at least 60 mm. Along with the heavy rainfall, the climate is hot and humid during the summer season. Being a completely virgin rainforest, the sanctuary is very rich in biodiversity. It is an ideal habitat for non-human primates. Till date, 47 mammal species, 70 reptile species and 140 types of butterfly species have been recorded in this rainforest. The most common mammal species of this sanctuary are Hullu gibbon, slow loris, pigtail macaw, stump-tail macaw, capped langur, Asian elephant, Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, gaur, Chinese pangolin, Himalayan black bear, Himalayan squirrel, leopard cat, clouded leopard, porcupine, crab-eating mongoose, sambar, sun bear, Barking deer, golden cat and marble cat. The forest harbors around 293 bird species, 1/4 of which are winter and summer visitors. It is also one of the most important forests in terms of orchid diversity. So far, 101 species of orchid within 45 genera have been recorded there. Of these, 79 are epiphytic, 21 are terrestrial and one species is a cypriphyte. 8 of the species found here are critically endangered, 15 species are endangered and 5 species are near threatened and 21 species are the vulnerable category. But this area is not only rich in biodiversity but also in natural resources like coal, the black diamond. The forest is continuously suffering from illegal mining of coal, and now the saddest news is that the coal mining is going to get the legal status. The National Board of Wildlife in April this year recommended that the portion of 98.59 hectares of the ecologically fragile reserve forest could be used for open-cast coal mining. Wildlife activists and environmental protection groups have been feared that the decision will have tremendous adverse impact on the flora and fauna in large area covering parts of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, and also cause a ripple effect in Myanmar. The decision of the Indian government to allow open-cast coal mining is Seleki proposed reserve forest within Dihing Patkai Elephant Reserve has now drawn global attention. The activists, youths and students have already launched a campaigning on these issues on social media. Still the question remains whether we will be able to save this forest or it will become a history with a passage of time. Will we learn from this COVID-19 pandemic to care for nature?